First, loosen these two bolts, 10 millimeters. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Just do that. This one has your ground on it, so make sure that this on the right stays ground. Again, there's a little clip right here. You gotta do that, flip that down, pull that out. Okay. Finish unscrewing. There's a little clip right here for your lock. Make sure this is disconnected. Finish taking the left bolt out. Spitting out rings, so sorry about that. Set that there. And these are only 10 millimeter. When I bought this car, there's no plastic shield, but yours would have a plastic shield. 4 plastic clips, they come out. Don't forget that's your ground. Okay. Now I gotta disconnect this piece off of here. Second.